No closure. No explanation. Just silence.
Charlotte!
Where someone used to be. You take
For those of you who do not know, we are Catch Your Breath all the way from Austin, Texas. Thank you guys so much for coming out and supporting live music, guys. We are very serious when we say each and every one of you is the reason why us four regular dudes up here can live our dreams. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
just that hollow, mocking sound. The sound of a connection.
So for this song, I'm gonna need a little bit of participation, all right? Get those cell phones out. Turn the flashlights on and face them towards this stage. This song goes out to you. This song is called Dial Tone. Close my eyes. I can feel close to a past that touch just like a knife. It's a thrill of this way that we talk about. Since you ever understand it, don't know the way. Something else just like your father. I'm the one. You get me without a trace. You never bother to explain. It's just like the way. All I wanted was the answer. All I needed was to know. Give me a reason. I need a reason. All those messages I left you. All those nights I stayed alone. Give me a reason. It's all I know. Close my eyes. I can feel you breathe in my neck. I'm only half alive. And I hate that I miss this song, but it's only half the time. Now I'm up all night, got me checking my phone, but